Hi everyone, it's Mindy again, and I'm doing something different this time with this update here, this video update. I'm doing a screencast, so this is very exciting, and I literally just learned it 2 seconds ago. Like this, is you're seeing me in this lower corner over here, and then you're seeing my screen, which I mean, to some YouTubers, this is like a very basic thing, but I've never done it before. So I'm very excited. Enjoy the small things in life. So that's, it's just good to do. So I have a very happy update. I just want to tell you that I finished the flats for Airhead just yesterday. It's very exciting. So that means that I finished the flat colors, and on the screen you will see up here. I don't know if you can see my mouse really that distinct, but here are all the little thumbnail images, and you can kind of see a general color scheme of the comic. So it's cool when you see it all together, to see just like the general color scheme. You see I have a lot of yellows and aqua, of course, for the water. Then I also have these oranges here, and even some purples, over there. So that is the main color scheme for Airhead, and it's very exciting. It's a milestone. I've reached another milestone, although it took a lot longer than it should have because 2020. But making progress, which is good. And so zooming in here, you can see, a little bit with the color schemes there. That's the dream sequence. I'm not going to show like too much, but because you gotta read the comic eventually when I'm all done with it. But of course, if you are a member of the Patreon on at any other tier levels, then you can see all the pages up close. You can just go to patreon.com/MindyIndie and select a tier, either like the $2 level or $5 level, and I post a lot of the updates on the $2 level, and then you can see a bunch of extra stuff on the higher levels. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to do this short little fun update. And yeah, I'd say I like the screencast. I think I want to do more of this. I mean, like, I don't know. I just think it's cool. It's like a cool way to combine, like, because before with these kind of monthly video updates that I've been doing, sometimes just like on my phone, and like you see me doing stuff or being somewhere, but you're not seeing what's on my screen. Now we get both. So this is great. Yeah, it doesn't take much to make me happy. Like learning new things. We gotta learn new things each day, and it literally took 2 seconds of like googling how to do a screencast on a Mac, and it's fun to do. It's like I struggle with tech things sometimes, but I like it because it's just it's empowering. It's the way of the future. So anyway, I hope that this message finds you well and safe and sane, as we all tried to be. Okay, and yeah, hope you're well. Bye.